Hey everyone, welcome back. Already have a Beam account and need to log back in after getting signed out or switching phones? Here's exactly how to log in step by step, takes about 30 seconds. First, open the Beam app on your iPhone. On the welcome screen, tap login. Enter the email address you used when you signed up for Beam and then tap next. Enter your password on the next screen and tap login. Beam may then send a one-time verification code to your email for added security. Check your inbox and find the code from Beam. Once you find it, go ahead and go back to the app and enter the passcode. Then, after entering the code, you're taken directly to the Beam's home screen where you'll see your linked cards, payment history, loyalty cards, and BPay. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and Beam will send a reset link to your email. If you're not receiving the verification email, make sure focus mode is turned off in Control Center and check your spam folder in the email app for Beam. So, all you've got to do is open Beam, tap login, enter your email and password, enter the verification code from your email, and you're in. Subscribe for more Beam guides.